Welcome in, guys. We are in Santa Monica, and tonight it's going to be all about Mel's Drive-In here. I'm thinking this is probably one of the early ones. There's a lot of Mel's around, so we're going to give this a shot tonight. End of Route 66 in Santa Monica. That's correct. There it is. So let's head on in. How you doing, sir? Looks like a Mel's to me. The end of Route 66. Santa Monica, the end of Route 66. It's actually a Rockola.
1/4 is one song.
It's a Rockola. It's probably a remanufactured. I'm not sure if that's like an original or not.
See, I'm gonna play something.
Well, you better have a magnifying glass for this baby.
Nice. They even have an Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I guess you can. I'm just gonna probably get a burger. They got everything. Clam chowder Fridays only. Just my luck.
Oh man.
There.
Let me see if this works. You want to see the video?
Sure. No. Just let me get this recorded before you start slamming that music. Kids, you gotta always take care. You gotta always raise them, no matter how old they are. Angus beef slider, Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'll be back. All-star menu.
Breakfast at dinner?
What is that? His housekeeper on there, or what? The one in?
No, that's just a child.
That's his child?
Looks like a child.
I didn't recognize. I don't know. Famous Mel burger, 30 pound with fries, $19.95. That looks pretty good. The famous Mel's Sunset. Seems pretty good to me. Shame I missed out on that. I would have really enjoyed some clam chowder.
I think that's going to be the ongoing joke, is that you just can't have clam chowder.
Classic Mel, these are rum infused sake. That's breakfast fountain. Milkshake.
Do they offer breakfast for dinner or no? Actually, a burger sounds pretty good.
Well, so does $5.50. 10.25 for a milkshake. Just almost criminal to me to charge $5.50 for soda. You got your music playing there,
Our
don't
personal
you?
juice box.
Yeah. 'Cause I don't know who in the hell. What kind of foot? UFL? I don't know about that football. There's a nice little presentation. I didn't ask for cheese, but I got cheese on it. I guess that's what makes them Mel's anyway. Mel's original. You got the, what did you get, the
Same
curly
thing with
fries?
the curly fries.
Okay, that's cool. There we go. All right, well, let's give it a shot. I'm not going to slob all over it on camera, but there it is. Looks good. The curly fries, you got stuck under your arm there.
They're really good. I haven't had the burger yet, but the
All right.
fries are good.
Well, we'll just check back when you have a bite. Try to have a bite in this baby. I feel like the meat has good seasoning on it, which is great. It's flavorful. It's very thick. I should have requested no sauce, no joy juice on it, and they put that on it, so I'll just have to deal with it. But it tastes pretty good. There is the tail of the tape, guys. $46.20 with tax. We didn't get the sodas. I'm not going to play that game anymore. We got 2 Mel burgers, and she upgraded to the Twisty fries, which was good. You like them? They were a good upgrade? Okay. So I'll see you outside. I'll do the review. We got the Route 66 behind me. Mel's driving, one of the more colorful ones here. Let's talk about the dinner tonight. What worked, it didn't work. I like the layout of basically the old diner look. And I thought that the waiter was pretty good. He was kind of a low energy kind of guy, but he did a decent job. You would have to ask for things, and then he would bring it. I mean, he was a nice guy. I know you don't care about the food, it was good. But we're in the era of the $20 burger now. And the only thing I don't like about burgers these days is they have their own special sauce and stuff they put on it. I always try to remind myself, I don't have burgers too often, but they put all that joy juice and all that crap on it. So by halfway done the burger, the bottom of the bun is destroyed. You can hardly handle the thing. You got to put it in a napkin so it doesn't get all over. It's just a mess. A burger, piece of lettuce, a tomato, a slice of onion, some ketchup and mustard. That's all I want, but I forgot it. But the meat was good. My daughter really liked the curly fries a lot. And, you took most of your burger back, didn't you? Yeah, you took yours. So I don't like $5.50 for drinks. I'm done with that soda BS of $5.50 for a drink. So we were both at the door. I think, what was it, $43, $44?
25.
Which I judged to be okay, considering the environment and everything. I don't know what else you could do to improve it. It's not one of those places you're going to recommend to people, but it's a place that if you're around and you see a Mel's, yeah, go check it out. You'll kind of enjoy the vibe and all that. But make sure you think, if you order the burger, think about how you want the burger done and tell them how you want the burger done, or check the menu very closely, which I never do, and end up paying a price for it. So I'm going to rate this a 7.0 experience tonight. The value is not really here. I mean, compared to Porto's, which we last reviewed, this place is a far cry from what we got at Porto's today for basically the same price. That's going to be a wrap up here. Thanks for watching, guys. Mel's Drive-In Diner here in Santa Monica, California. Ooh, don't forget to like and subscribe.